So, good afternoon po, ma'am. I am Makam Gian B from BSC 4Y2-2. So, itatakal po natin yung about computer parts po about sa cybercrime. So, let's start po. First is a case. Case, the metal and plastic box that contains the main components of the computer, including the motherboard processing unit or CPU and power supply. So makikita niyo na po sa picture, ito po yung case po ng computer. So ibig sabihin po nito, yung pong case metal or plastic na kahon po siya, may mga laman na parts ng computer. So sa loob ng kahon or case, may laman po ng, for example po, motherboard, CPU, RAM, power supply, or etc. po. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng case. So, next po is motherboard. A computer's motherboard is typically the largest printed circuit board in machine chassis. It distributes electricity and facilitates communication between and to the central processing unit or CPU. Random access memory or RAM and any other component of the computer's hardware. So ito po yung example niya, ito po yung picture. Ayan po, kung makikita niyo naman po, ayan po yung motherboard. Ganyan po yung itsura. So motherboard naman po is, ito po yung box sa loob ng case, yung kulay green. Kung makikita niyo naman po sa loob ng case. Yan po yung motherboard. Dito po nilalagay yung mga internal components. Siya po yung nagbibigay ng communication sa mga parts ng computer. Computer sa loob ng motherboard. Like for example po, yung mga RAM, CPU, power supply, or etc. Yan po yung nagbibigay ng supply sa computer or laptop para magamit ito. So, next po is power supply. A power supply is an electrical device that offer electric power to an electrical load such as laptop, computer, server, or other electronic devices. So, ibig sabihin po ng power supply is ito po yung nagbibigay ng kuryente or electricity. Electricity device para magamit ito gaya ng laptop, computer or server at ibang electronic devices. So ito po yung pinaka-battery ng computer. So dito din po dumadaan ang kuryente papasok sa computer. So yun po yung naintindihan ko po sa power supply. So next po is graphic cards. A graphic card, also called a video card, display card, graphics adapter, VGA card, or VGA video adapter, display adapter, or colloquially GPU, is a computer expansion card that generates a feed of graphics output to a display device such as monitor. So ito po yung example, ito po yung pictures. Ayan po siya. Kung makikita niyo po sa picture, ganyan po itsura ng graphic cards. So, graphic cards naman po is ito po yung pinaka-responsible sa monitor. At ito din po yung ginagamit ng mga editor, gamers, or etc. Kasi para mabilis ang quality ng processor, para yung graphics niya ay maayos at hindi malag yung computer devices. So, next po is CPU. The Central Processing Unit or CPU is the primary component of a computer that acts as its control center. The CPU also referred as the central or main processor is a complex set of electronics circuitry that runs the machine's operating systems and apps. So, sa CPU naman po is ito po yung Central Processing Unit at ito po yung nagsisilbing control center. At ito din po yung nagpapatakbong operating system sa mga apps ng makina or machine. So ito din po yung brain ng computer. Ito po yung nagpapagana sa lahat ng computer parts sa loob ng motherboard. So yun po yung CPU. Then next is ayan po yung picture ng CPU. Ayan yung mga, like for example po yung mga, ayan po yung Intel, yung microchip po nila. Yan po yung nagpapabilis or yung mga memories po nila. Yan. So next po is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is used short-term memory storage for a computer's central processing unit or CPU. So ito po yung pictures. Ito po yung example ng RAM kung ano po yung itsura. Ayan po siya. Ayan, kung makikita niyo po sa picture. So, ang RAM naman po is ginagamit po ang RAM bilang short-term memory. Para po sa CPU, dito po lahat nag-i-stay ng mga application pag nakabukas yung computer. And then pag pinower off nyo naman po yung computer, yung application po is mag-i-stay sa RAM or random access memory. So, yun po yung about sa RAM. So, next po is hard drive. A hard drive or hard disk drive or HDD is a type of data storage device that is used in laptops and desktops computer. An HDD is a non-volatile storage drive, which means it can retain the stored data even when no power is supplied to the device. So, ito po yung itsura ng hard drive. Ito po yung picture. Ayan po siya. Kung makikita po sa picture, ito po yung itsura ng hard drive. So ang hard drive naman po is ginagamit sa mga laptop, computer desktop. So ito po yung long-term memory or forever. Dito lahat po nag-i-stay like for example po, yung mga application files, picture, video, and so on and so on. So yun po yung ibig sabihin ng hard drive. So next po tayo. Next po is solid state drive. An SSD or solid state drive is a type of storage device used in computers. This non-volatile storage media stores persistent data on solid state flash drive memory. SSDs replace traditional hard disk drives, HDDs in a computers, and perform the same basic function as a hard drive. So ito po yung example ng solid state drive or SSD. Ito po yung picture niya. Ayan po siya. Kung makikita naman po parang memory po siyang hard disk pero iniba lang po niya. Iniba lang po siya. So, ito naman po ibig sabihin po ng SSD or solid state drive. Ginagamit po ito sa computer. Pero mananting nag-iimbak ng data sa loob ng integrated circuit. So, ang SSD or solid state drive ay karaniwang mas mabilis po ito. Mas mabilis po ito at mas maaasahan kaysa po sa mga HDD or hard drive disk. So thank you po. So yun po yung nalaman ko or natutunan ko po about po sa computer parts po ng cybercrime. So thank you ma'am. Thank you po ma'am. And God bless po. Bye po.